Hello guys, welcome back to Vitesse Communication channel. So in this channel we'll talk about GSM maintenance and repair and general technology. So in today's video we are going to talk about some of the precautions needed or some of the safety precautions to take note of when using candle in phone repair shop. Precaution taken when using candle in phone repair shop. Number one, you need to cut the candle. Why are you cutting the candle? So that it will not produce enough flame to damage your panel. So you need to cut the candle thread to be short, because it will just bring out random fire to spoil your panel. Secondly, when using the candle, don't dress it nearer to the panel or the PCB of your phone, because when you dress it nearer to it, if you overdress it nearer to the PCB or the panel, the flame might damage some parts of the mobile phone. It might damage some parts of the mobile phone. You need to carry it down. And again, when using candle to remove terminal or any part of mobile phone, make sure that the thing have already hot and you see some flame coming out before you can remove it. That flame is telling you that the lead there have melted, so you can remove it. So that's just a simple precaution taken when using candle. If you follow this precaution, you will do phone work successfully and without entering a problem or without damaging the panel of your phone. Yeah, it is very important to follow this precaution. It will help you not to damage your customer phone, because when you damage your customer phone, you likely lost that customer, and that customer will encourage other customer not to come to your phone. So as I use candle, so I place the candle and I follow that precaution. Look at how the panel is very clean. There is no flame there on the panel, so it is very important. And again, when using candle to remove parts of mobile phone, make sure that you use a phone holder, or you can place some strong metal there to help you to hold that panel, so that when using that candle you might not shake any IC. So the number one precaution is that cut the thread of that candle to avoid random flame coming out. Secondly, when using that candle, dress it down. Look at how I'm doing it. Yeah, dress it downward so that it will not damage the PCB of your mobile phone. Yeah, look at how I'm doing it. Simple as that. When you do it, you will not damage somebody's PCB, and the flame there will not damage any IC in your mobile phone. So try to stick to this precaution. It is very important. And again, when removing terminal in your mobile phone, make sure that the thing have already melted. Sometimes you will see flame coming out. It's telling you that the lead there have melted. So what you have to do, you have to use your tweezer or your picker to bring it out gently. So that's just a simple precaution when using candle in your mobile phone. Look at how I'm doing it. Yeah, look at it. Very simple. Allow that flame to come out before you do it. Thanks for watching.